Okay, new day today. Getting ready for the Smoke and Spurs Festival in Powassan. Taking the Wolverine X2 there. Gonna be checking out everything that's going on. They've got mud bogs and a rodeo and truck pulls and concerts, a whole bunch of things going on, so it should be fun. Got to get these rock sliders installed, and the first step in doing that is to remove the pillar guard. So there's two bolts, 10mm socket is needed, one down here and one up here in the wheel well. So I'll do the left side first and then the right side, and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, after removing the pillar guards, the next step is to remove the mud guards. So there's 4 bolts. There's 2 underneath here, as well as 2 in the cockpit of the Wolverine X2, as well as 2 plastic rivets. You can see one is just behind the coolant reservoir here, and the other one is just above the frame rail. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these now to give me access. Okay, got the mud guard removed here. Just draw your attention, these plastic rivets, they're screw type, so they've got a little screw hole here. So what you want to do is you want to pop this out just a little bit and then unscrew it and it'll just slide right out. Next step is to remove the plastic end cap from the back of the existing rail. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and get ready to install these rock sliders. So after removing the plastic plug, we're going to go ahead and install this steel plug into the rail of the Wolverine X2. We're going to use this Allen bolt and a number 6 Allen key on the ratchet. And we're just going to leave it a little bit loose for now to allow some play. You'll notice in the frame rail that the hole's already there, so there's no drilling required. Just slide it in and just put the screw in. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, the next step is to mount the rock slider onto the Wolverine and into the plug. The first step in doing this is you need to install the front of the rock slider into the frame slot underneath here, and it just fits right in there. And then after you've done that, you can come around and line everything up and just loosely just fit your bolts in there for now, and we'll snug everything up later. So next we're going to put this nut plate in behind the frame, and the bolts are going to mount to this nut plate. So it just slides in behind here, and I can't hold the camera and put the bolts in, so I'm going to put the camera down and I'll get the bolts in. Okay, you can see now I've got the bolts in, so now I'm going to take a 14mm socket. I'll go around and snug these 2 up first, and then go back to the plug in the back and snug everything up there, and then this side is done. Okay, rock slider installation complete. What a great job that was. Very, very easy install. I had to give props to Yamaha. You know, they said in their videos that all the accessories for this unit were designed along with the unit, and that there was no drilling or modification required, and they're absolutely right. You know, from the placement of tools to how things fit together to room to work and get your hands in different places, this was a dream to install. I've installed a lot of accessories and parts on snowmobiles, dirt bikes, ATVs, side-by-sides, and I can't count how many number of times that I've had to take things back off and use a grinder or drill a hole or make something fit, that was supposed to fit and was for the specific vehicle. But again, on this Wolverine X2, whether it's the front bumper or brush guard or the rear brush guard, everything just fits so nicely, and the install is just really, really easy to do. So if you're looking at getting a Wolverine X2, or for that matter a Wolverine X4, and want to grab some accessories and spend some time in your garage or your shop or barn, or even your trailer for that matter, the install is so easy. You could do it outside on a nice day. I'm really excited to get out on this Wolverine X2 and hit the trails. It's coming together real nice. Stay tuned for more accessory installs, as well as real world riding footage, real adventures out on the trails of Northern Ontario. Okay, have a great day.